I see. You can do it. Come on. Can you be down here to catch her?
I'll catch you at the bottom.
Daddy will catch you. Come on, big kid. You can do it.
Alright, stay right there.
That's the way how to get up.
Can you tell me how to get up there, babe? Yeah. Thank you. Wait, you're riding on my... Ready?
Whee!